Another quick Oracle clip.
In this clip, we will enable KVM on an Oracle Linux 8 system. Be sure to check out the video description for more information. The KVM Hypervisor requires virtualization extensions for full virtualization. To verify that the CPU virtualization extensions are available, we will run the command grep -E svm pipe vmx /proc/cpu info. If the output contains a VMX entry, as is the case here, this confirms the system is Intel-based and does support virtualization. Next, we will ensure that the KVM kernel modules are loaded by running the command lsmod pipe grep kvm. The output includes KVM, which indicates that the KVM hardware virtualization modules are loaded. Now that we know that this system supports virtualization, we will install the collection of virtualization packages by running the command sudo dnf module install -y virt. I will speed through this. Next, we will install two software packages, virt-install and virt-viewer, by typing the command sudo dnf install -y virt-install virt-viewer. I will speed through this. As an optional step to validate that the host machine is set up and ready to run VMs, we will run the command virt-host-validate. If all checks return a pass value, the system can host guest VMs. Our output shows that a couple of the checks returned a warning, but these are not critical. The final step is to start the libvirtd daemon and enable it to start on each boot automatically by running the command sudo systemctl enable --now libvirtd.service. As an optional step to ensure the service started, run the command sudo systemctl status libvirtd.service. The output verifies that the libvirtd service is now running, and we are ready to create VMs.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.